Hello everyone! You're on a channel Fat Pelican. My name is Dennis and my wife's name is Tiana. We live in Belgrade. For those who don't know, it's the capital of Serbia. Serbia is a country in Eastern Europe, located in the heart of the Balkans. Belgrade used to be the capital of the now non-existent country of Yugoslavia. The Balkans are a very picturesque region, and the first motorcycle trip on this channel will be to the neighboring country of Bosnia and Herzegovina. First, we'll ride to the capital city Sarajevo, and then visit the second largest and most important city, Mostar. A few words about our vehicle. Right now we're riding a Honda Forza 750cc. In my opinion, it's slightly less than a motorcycle and significantly more than a scooter. Honda markets it as a GT scooter. After riding it for 4,000 kilometers, I can say it's a very good option for traveling. There are pros, and of course, cons. The pros: it's very comfortable for both the rider and the passenger, which is especially important on long trips. It also has a large under-seat storage compartment, not counting the top case. Something most motorcycles can't offer. As for the cons, it's not suitable for gravel roads. And unfortunately, 58 horsepower isn't always enough on the highway.
Bosnia is a very beautiful country. Right from the start, it delights you with its landscapes, charming villages, rolling hills, forests. The road winds through endless greenery, lakes, and rivers. Look at these awesome swans we came across.
The distance from Belgrade to Sarajevo is 300 kilometers. 170 kilometers are fast highways on the Serbian side, and the remaining 130 kilometers are beautiful, winding mountain roads in Bosnia. After 300 kilometers and 5 hours of riding, we arrived in Sarajevo. Sarajevo is the capital of Bosnia, a small but very cozy city. It made headlines in world history twice. First, World War I began right here, and second, Sarajevo hosted the Winter Olympic Games in 1984. One of the city's main landmarks is the Parliament. Building is beautiful, but surrounded by a dark reputation and even some mystical rumors. About 300 meters from the Parliament stands the Latin Bridge, another historical site. This is where the event took place that ultimately triggered World War I, when Serbian student Gavrilo Princip killed Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne. Just 100 meters from the bridge is the old town, Baščaršija. Baščaršija is the old bazaar and cultural center of Sarajevo. Built in the 15th century during the Ottoman era, with its narrow cobbled streets, traditional craft shops, mosques, and historical buildings, it reflects the rich Oriental heritage of the city. Today, Baščaršija is a lively place full of cafes, restaurants, and souvenir shops, attracting both locals and tourists.
This is Sibyl, a small wooden fountain in the heart of Baščaršija, Sarajevo's old bazaar. It's more than just a place to drink water. It feels like the fountain has always been here, watching people pass by, hearing footsteps on the old stone streets, surrounded by pigeons, market stalls, and the scent of strong Bosnian coffee. It was built back in 1753 during the Ottoman times, and then rebuilt in 1891 by an Austro-Hungarian architect. Wood, stone, and a copper dome, simple yet full of character. Locals say, whoever drinks from Sabij will return to Sarajevo. And you know what? I want to believe that, because this place, it stays with you. In the heart of Sarajevo's old bazaar, there's a place where time slows down. The Gazi Husrev Bey's Mosque. Built in 1530 during the golden age of the Ottoman Empire, it's more than just a mosque. It's the soul of the city. Built by order of Gazi Husrev Bey, a visionary leader and governor of Bosnia, and designed by the legendary Mimar Sinan, this place has stood for nearly 5 centuries. Step through the gate and you'll feel it. The calm of the courtyard, the gentle echo of footsteps on old stone, and the way sunlight filters through the windows, soft, golden, peaceful. It's still an active place of worship, but it's also a meeting point of cultures, stories, and centuries. You don't just visit this mosque, you feel it, even if it is overcrowded. You listen to its silence, and it tells you the history of Sarajevo.
Bosnian cuisine is, of course, absolutely delicious. Since Bosnia was founded by the Ottomans and was part of the Ottoman Empire for 400 years, this has influenced all aspects of life, including the national cuisine. Traditional veal sausages called cevapi, grilled over an open flame, are incredibly tasty. And let's not forget the strong, aromatic Turkish-style coffee. Oh, sorry. Here it's called Bosnian coffee. After a wonderful Bosnian-style lunch, we set off to see the legacy of the Olympic Games, the bobsled track. It's located in the mountains and can be reached either by cable car or, as we did, by motorcycle. After reaching the parking area, we had to walk for about 15 minutes. Along the entire path, there were signs warning not to leave the road due to the risk of landmines. A haunting reminder of the Bosnian War of the 1990s. More than 30 years have passed since the war, but its echoes can still be seen to this day. The track was approximately 1,300 meters long and featured 13 turns, meeting international standards for bobsleigh and luge competitions. After the Olympics, the track was used for training and competitions, but it was damaged during the Bosnian War in the 1990s. Today it is abandoned, but has been preserved as a kind of monument, covered in graffiti, and has become a popular tourist and historical site. And just like that, the day came to the end. Tomorrow morning we are heading to the second largest city in Bosnia, Mostar. But that's a story for another episode. Thank you for watching, and see you later.